So I've been trying to find a way to describe the fellas that I went to Arkansas with. First of all, they are all gentlemen, and that was plain to see. Secondly, they're outdoorsmen who have no problem at all fishing in miserable conditions. You throw in the voice of an angel, a very fast all-welled boat with a jet drive outboard, and plenty of practice with ultralight gear, and you have, in my opinion, an excellent fishing experience in a beautiful location. On this boat is Daryl, Mike, Todd, and his son Adam. They took one of the cameras from my project here and did some great fishing. Y'all check it out. So I'm here with these dudes, and they just sing and they fish. They fish and they sing. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful colors of the rainbow.
Just feeding the fish, that's all we're doing.
Are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands,
Moss to boot.
saying how do you do.
Good fish.
They're really saying
Now I've got both nets up here for some reason.
Yeah, well, I know what the reason is.
I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. Tell her much more than I know.
Yeah,
Wire right there.
that across?
Lay right on top of all those.
And I think to
That's the
myself,
purpose of that. It'll lay right on top of those. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah, thank you.
yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful,
If I can get this side, I think. Try to keep them off the drag chain.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. In front of the camera there for now, this is a fish I caught. See, it's right here on my pole.
Hey. Did he cross your line? I can't tell, Mike.
I'm pretty far right.
I mean, Mike.
Oh, sorry.
He's small. Good fish. Good fish.
So that's our boat in the background. As we're going by, you'll see here Adam holds his hands up to show us that he'd caught 6 or 7 fish. I tried to hold my hands up to show that I had caught 27 fish in the same time period, but I didn't have enough fingers.
Thank you, sir.
Looks like a decent fish.
So this clip really illustrates why we bend down the barbs on our hooks. If you want a safe release for your fish, and we release a lot of fish, you know, if you plan to do the same thing squash those barbs down on your hooks. The hooks pop out often. We don't really see much of a loss in the amount of fish we catch, and it makes releases like this just painless. Fish gets a little poke in them, yeah, but being able to throw them back in the water quickly and safely really saves their lives.
Pretty much means I'll get a bite while you're.
Thank you. No.
We played this right, late breakfast and sit around for just a little bit. Now here we are. Call on the weather.
Want him?
Yep.
Well, he's
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Daryl, he's got a little fight to him too. Thanks, sir.
Tearing them up there today, Adam.
I know. I feel like I need somebody else up here to have a little fun as well. I think he can get a little bigger. I'm going to put him back.
I'm not. Just having a little fun and she's pulling line on you.
Well, I was trying to make sure he didn't cross over Dad's line.
Oh, okay.
But he's not small.
That's an eater.
Thanks, sir.
You good?
Yep.
Fish on again.
Pretty good little fighter.
Good little spot right. I'll get him. Don't worry about that one.
Adam's got me.
Oh, Adam's got you over there? Okay.
Sweet.
Hey, this one's off. How about that? I can unhook him if you want me to, Daryl.
At the door.
Thank you. Got exciting for a second there. Cute little guy.
Mandarin orange. Meat on
A
him.
little meat on him.
Ba-doom, 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 doom, ba-doom, 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 ba-doom. Trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no desk. Ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of push and broom buys $8 well for this room. I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road, do-do-do. Third boxcar, midnight train. Destination Bangor, Maine. Do-do-do. Old worn out suit and shoes. Don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found there. Short but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road. I know every engineer on every train. All of their children and all of their names. And every handout in every town. And every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. Trailer for sale.
You got more than one hole in that net.
Rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I'm fresh out of sleep, but 2 hours of pushing broom.
Managed to catch
8 by 12 4-bedroom. Man of means by no means. King of the road. Man of means by no means. King of the road. Man of means by no means. King of the road.
Here, you want this one?
Now watch this move.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Multitasking.
So one of the guys in this group does fireworks at sporting events. If you like fireworks, hit like and subscribe. Stop being greedy with your likes and your subscriptions.